Here are my strength building secrets. Number one, if you're just getting started, do not ego lift. Well, actually, don't ego lift even if you've been lifting for a long time. Don't ego lift. What do I mean by ego lift? Ego lift is when you put on like way more weight on the bar than you have any business doing. Like if you haven't been lifting consistently for like 6 to 12 months minimum, you should not be putting heavy weights on the bar. Like there's a big difference between lifting super heavy weight for like 1, 2, or 3 reps per set, right? Versus lifting like a moderate to moderately heavy weight for 8 to 10, 8 to 12 reps. When you are first starting out, if you are in the first 6 to 12 months of lifting, or the first 6 to 12 months back in lifting, you should always be lifting at least 8 reps. I'll give you 6. You should at least minimum be lifting 6 reps per set because you got to build up your mind-muscle connection. You have to build up your muscle. You have to get the reps in. If you jump right into heavy lifts, then you risk like big time injury, and your body just isn't used to it. So take your time, build up, give yourself 6 to 12 months of lifting like high volume where you're doing like minimum 6 reps, but I would even say 8 reps would be my preference per set. Try to prioritize getting those reps in with the lighter weight. Focus on your technique, focus on building muscle, focus on learning how to move. Because if you do that, you will be able to lift heavier and heavier much more safely. So that would be like my tip number 1 is really take your time with the high volume stuff. Minimum go for 8 reps per set, 3 to 5 sets per exercise. Like there's no race for you to like get to the heavy lifts. And then over time, after you've been doing that for like 6 to 12 months, then you can gradually begin adding more weight and reducing the number of reps that you do. But to be honest, most competitive powerlifters that I know, they don't lift super, super heavy weight all year round. Most of the time, they're focusing on technique with lower weight. You don't do 100% of your max all the time. You're not trying to get a PR all the time. Now, when you're first getting started, you probably will get PRs very frequently. You probably will be able to do more reps and add more weight often because you got those newbie gains, right? Which is so much fun. And those newbie gains can last anywhere between like 6 months and 2 years. But you are eventually going to reach a point where it gets really, really slow to make progress from that point. And it gets harder and harder to squeeze out more reps or add more weight to your lifts. If you have reached that point, just know that that's totally normal. Congratulations, you're now officially an intermediate lifter. And when you're at that point, your body needs a lot more stimulus to like actually make progress, add more weight, add more reps. So you probably need to increase the number of sets you do per muscle group. You probably will need to increase your frequency of how often you train. You may also get away with not changing anything except for just the whole workout program, like swapping out moves, swapping out exercises to give your muscles novel stimulus. Once you get to that point, just know that it's going to be slower, it's going to be a lot harder for you to build muscle and build strength, but you stay consistent with it and you'll get to the point where you'll get to the other side of it, a couple years in where you become an advanced lifter. At that point, you don't need quite as much, sort of like a bell curve.